So this is a very interesting moment for me. I'm super excited to share with you. As all of you know, I've been a fan of Meermin shoes for quite a while, and Meermin has thanked me for the work that I do in the Meermin group, and promoting the Meermin enthusiasts page on Instagram by gifting me a pair of shoes. This was a really unexpected thing for them to do, and it was part of their January, make your own or build your own boots program that they did. And so I worked with them, and I came up with a pair of hand-welted boots that I'm super excited about. Now, I buy a lot of shoes from Meermin. I like using them to investigate and try new patterns. And this is what I chose. They did gift me a pair of shoe trees as well, which came in the box with them. So super excited about it, and want to share with you the unboxing today. This is a Thibet grain on these boots. Came with two shoe bags, which is nice. And I had them Norvegese stitched, 180. And so let's take a look at these. Now, I mean, it is July, and I ordered them in January, so it did take a while for them to come. But let's take a look at what they are. And this is a grain leather, different. I've never seen them actually put together. And this is like a 106 596, but a boot version of it. And look at that. They clicked it without a seam, and really pulled off a beautiful stitch on the apron, reverse the toe like you'd expect, and they have this Norwegian piece here. Now, I think that this leather feels on the thin side. Again, I've never got to see this on a shoe before, and so I was really kind of guessing just from the swatch, but feels really, really thin, which in this case I think is going to be great to make this boot more comfortable. So I got them in a 10. As I went with the some of the other new boots, I went with a last that I didn't know, so I went with a 9.5 because they said it was going to be more like the HOK. This is in the standard Hero last, so I went with the 10, like all of my shoes. So I think I know what I'm expecting, so pretty excited to see what that turns out like. So now I'll take a look at the other one. And again, there's a little bit of staining on the Norvegese welt, which I'm not upset about, but I know some people probably would be. It's not stained here at all, which I think, again, some people would be upset about, and I'm not. As I look at it, and I look at the welt, look at the fudging, it's a little hinky right here, but not bad. And these were remade a couple times for me because they had not passed quality control, which is I think why it took so long. And as I look at it, it's not half bad. So I know some people have very strong feelings about quality control coming out of Meermin, but for the price of what these normally would run, which is I think around $500, I think it's pretty good. Again, it's a hand welted boot. This is not something that they normally have, so this would be a special order anyway. So that is kind of my take on it. Let me know your thoughts on it, and I'm super excited that they gifted me this pair of boots, and I'm excited to wear them.